Meaning of dotcom.
dotcom,
Dotcom.
dotcom,
dotcom. The term dotcom refers to a company or business that operates primarily on the Internet or World Wide Web, often with a domain name ending in .com. This term became prominent during the dot-com boom of the late 1990s when many Internet-based companies were formed and experienced rapid growth. The dot-com era ultimately resulted in a significant financial bubble, which eventually burst in the early 2000s, leading to widespread bankruptcies and economic downturns. Despite this, the term dot-com has continued to be used to describe Internet-based businesses and is now an established part of modern language.